First star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight.
Leah, what do you wish for Christmas? I wish I get a lot of money so I can buy my friends a lot of toys.
Me too. I wish I get a lot of gifts this year. All I know, my grandpa better buy me a lot of gifts this year. If not, I won't do his fit outs anymore.
Me too, Leah. If Dad doesn't buy me no toys, and I'm not gonna do his fit outs anymore, and I'm not gonna come to Ang Asasa anymore.
Leah, Nare.
Yes, Mom?
It's not about having a lot of toys or having a lot of money.
What? Then what does Christmas mean then?
Well, it's about God's love. It's about God's greatest gift to the world. He gave His only Son, Jesus Christ.
What? Why?
Well, so you and I and everyone may have everlasting life. Do you guys want to hear a story?
Yes, Mom. Tell us a bedtime story.
Okay, all right. Once upon a time, that there was a young boy named Sean, and he was searching for the true meaning of Christmas. And every morning, he would wake up for school hearing the church bells ringing. Listen. Wait for it. Wait for it. You hear it? You hear it?
Yes, Mommy! We can hear the church bells! It's ringing from Pango Pango!
Let's go to Pang Pango.
What Hey Daniel, what's up, man?
Hi, Sean! Pamakayan ngay kaya wa.
Oh, beautiful morning.
Iyo
I think so.
Sky killing aming of mo, oy.
Ay ba oi? Dapat nang ko pisang po. Pwede kikila kang kulong.
Ay lang ba nga ngayon ikaw kauwad kong, oy mako, ismasang hila ba? Uli kawaong ang kalingin mo liya. Ismas!
Oh, ikaw papipia pala ako pangkong.
Yeah, why not? Kau siya nga umalawa rin siya.
Away lala ako sipa.
No one else but me.
Ooh. So can you show me what you got?
Trust, I got a lot. Makamakala yun.
Ooh. Lolo. Ay ba oi? Si kau ako lala ako ngayon eh. May besa me ay kuway laso.
Kung yun.
Kala, my fault. Oh, kasi maangay yun.
Ini via ayaw
Ya kalalalan mekano.
Akong wa.
Ay ba oi? Iyan mele mamafay do mafawfang.
Wala yun.
O ako. Ke fiyay lo. Lewi nga mong ilabar ka wisimas.
O nga ufa makala kulay aki oi. Lewi nga kong ulavar Christmas.
E atama?
Makau mo bua sang me ai. Kang mekani. Au. Mai uso. Ole wingal Christmas. Ole fia. Mea lenga o whaingoa i ka komo. Ole moko fianga. The island of happiness. Eke sau ile makeki man kaulang. Fa longoi a fai pesi. Fa la. Oh. Uma for Christmas. Keilo. Lo ele winga ole tingaling.
La nga mea.
Winga tingaling. Ole happy. Dela over makala yaki oi. The wing of Christmas.
Welcome to downtown, let's go laga. Maketi pa sa me patoa. Ila lalai po ile kovada. Ila nuatu tu ila mamanua.
la, la, la.